Hey, hello everyone, good to see you all on this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about what is a uniform resource locator. By the name itself, you can able to see this is it should be in uniform format, and it should recognize some resource, maybe some what we can say some valuable content and locators, so it should have some coordinates, means path or kind of things. Okay, so if we take the first three letters, we can able to get URL, so that is the abbreviation for this one. So yeah, we are going to see, or we are going to um, deep dive in more about this URL. So what is an URL? That's why uniform resource locator I have mentioned. So it's an URL, yes, like I already said, and it should be an address of a page, yes. Locator, right? So some coordinates or kind of things, but here it's an address. So we can able to go through what we want from a website, like a book. Okay, contains location information of a page. So location information that we can able to say path. Yeah, so with the help of this path, we can able to go find out what we want little bit easy. Okay, it is encrypted and also unencrypted, depends upon the site needs, with the help of port numbers, or if we know more about ports, we can able to distinguish whether this site is secured or not secured, with the help of this encrypted and unencrypted format. Or we can able to see there is one lock symbol, so it will able to give you the identification or clarity about whether the site is secure or not secure. And it should be specific and unique, yes, because if we want to call a person name, call a person by name, the name should be specific, right? Otherwise whoever is having this name, everyone will turn back. So it should be specific and unique. Unique means, so we can able to find with a unique URL. Otherwise, if it is congested, sorry, one URL contains two to three more pages, three more different pages, then we can't able to find, right? So that is the main thing. It should be specific and unique. And structure, yes, your URL is having a structure. With this structure, we can able to figure it out, the URL, how lengthy the URL is. Okay, and also with this help of structures, we can able to categorize those URL with the help of protocols or subdomain or domain and everything. Okay, so in this first one, we can able to match it to the second one. So first one is the protocol. Protocol is the way that we can able to figure it out the URL, which is secured or non-secured, or FTP or file transfer one, or mail to whatever the thing. So these are the first four main categories that we are using in our day-to-day life. So that's why I mentioned this for here. And this colon and forward slash will give you the idea about the protocol is completed, and then URL is starting. URL might contain subdomains, sometimes no subdomains. So this is kind of personal need, or at the user need. Okay, and domain, which is must, because this is the target, right? So where we are going, you can able to see facebook.com, example.com, or Twitter, whatever it is. So it should be in this domain category. And TLD, it is another one. We can able to see com, or co, or you know, whatever it is. Sometimes country code will come like a Amazon. Generally we know amazon.com, but it will be in a dollar symbol. So US, but for us, India, no, isn't that in, right? So the TLD depends upon the area preference, or it completely depends upon the domain preference. not area preference, I would say, because if you want to create a same page for a different domains, sorry, different countries, whatever it is, you can able to put the changes in TLD. Okay, or sometimes for location you can able to put that one in path, but that is a different kind. Fine. And so path will be the exact location where we are going. Okay, so in this facebook.com we need to go profile, what we need to see, kind of things, so like timeline, profile, or photos, whatever, everything will come after this .com. So it will be like this. In this facebook.com we need to check this person profile, and also the information of the profile is like name, and in this profile go to the photo and the photo number, photo name or identity, whatever it is. So it will be like this, little bit expand, what we can say, detail or descriptive. That's why path 0, path 1, and in this path key value and this content. The content will be like this, photo name. Okay. So these are all the following examples we can able to see. Yeah, in this FTP, storage.ftp example. Yeah, in this storage we are doing file transfer from example.com, and user files. In this user files we can able to go documents. In that document we need to access personal file.txt. So if you want to access personal file.txt, then we need to do these steps. That's why everything, it is in the short form of the URL. So if we paste this in the browser, we can able to access this personal file.txt. Okay. Then mail to, it is a direct mail to the domain, whether it is like I would say someone at gmail.com. Yeah. So if you type a mail to uh, colon and then someone at gmail.com, definitely it will open the default app or default mail um, things. Okay, so that will leads you to send a mail for that same sorry person, someone at gmail.com. Okay. Then scheme is like a protocol. Yeah. So that protocol content before, yes, this is the main thing. Content, what are other things, whether it is http or https or ftp, whatever in before this will define the URL. Oh, the URL actions. Okay, depends on the page that we are looking. Yes, if it is FTP, yeah, you can able to see for mail to only double colon. There is no. Okay, so that is the thing. Like indicates ports by its terms of function. Yes, like I mentioned, this is uh, secure. So the port should be 443, and this is non-secure, and the port is 80, and this is what you can say like a 23. So with the scheme means this http protocols. Okay, so we can able to figure it out whether the site is secured or not, and where we are going, and it will give you the clarity about the port numbers. For example, you can say, yeah, secure, yeah, like that, everything I mentioned. Yeah. And authority and port, this is the next like a descriptive way of the schemes. So domain, we can say domain is the authority, and it is having one substitute means mm, yeah, TLD substitute is a TLD, facebook.com. Yeah, you can see Facebook is the domain, and this is the company name that as of everyone's knowledge, I would say. Okay, or what we can say, google.com. Yeah, this is authority. from where you got this? I got this information from Google. Yeah, that is the authority. Okay. And describes the port of what we are looking. Port validations occurs along this time. Okay. So if you are going for Facebook and it contains user data, so it should be a secured port one, secured way to access the internet, right? So it should be like 443, and whenever you are accessing Facebook, you can able to see the port is 443, and this lock symbol also, and it should be like http. Yes. Okay. And shortened forms are available for certain web pages. Just example, fb.com. This is a short formation. Okay. And could be an IP address. So by examining these examples, you can able to say google.com, we know, but mail.google.com is the exact way we can say https colon double slash mail.google.com is nothing but gmail.com. That's all. So this is the exact URL, but here I mentioned port. Like I said, it should be https and the mail.google.com with the subdomain and domain tld, and the final output is http. Yeah, it will redirect it to https colon double forward slash gmail.com, and this is the exact IP address for Google. So you can able to type this IP in the address bar, and it will lead you to google.com path. So in the exact authority where we need to go, that's why the path represents waypoint of the web page. Yes, exact location. Determine the location of the website. Yes, location. To start with the forward slash, and partitions should be added with this one. Yes. So in this example, you can able to see in this fb.com, we need to go home and also about. So home is the path 0, and this is path 1. Okay. So next one, yeah, home and about is the path. I hope you got a small clarity about what is URL, and how its structure should be, how its scheme, authority, port, path, and everything. If you want to add more things in this video, please put those in the comments, and it will be good for me and those who are watching this video, please, and they will get the knowledge about this. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please subscribe if you like this video too much. Yeah, it's me, Famika, signing off. Meet you all guys in my next video. Peace.